Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be playing Subway Surfer. So, let's do this. And I'm not like trying to brag of how good I am or how bad I am or whatever. I'm probably pretty bad, but whatever. Sorry for not talking, it's like super late. I don't even know what time it is. Oh geez. Alright, so let's play. Oh, stupid ads. Sorry about the ads. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna end up dying in like 2 seconds, no joke. Like, I'm not the best at this. Oh, jeez. So, yeah, I'm probably gonna do a couple rounds of this, depends how long I last, and yeah. Rush, okay, that's my word. Ooh, a seashell, what is that? Honestly, I have no idea. Oh geez, I have to sneeze. Oh jeez. Sorry, oh man, I died. Alright, so I don't like saving myself because I like to keep my keys. I got quite a bit. And don't judge that my character is a boy. So all I need is my H, and then I'll get my daily challenge complete. There's a clam. I need 4 times 10 more. Oh, there's my H. There we go. Daily challenge complete. I totally said that right. I missed a clam or a shell, whatever. Oh, I swear I clicked it. Oh, I got a bag of money. I think I'm going to play this last round, and I think that's going to be the end of the video. Alright. Oh, jeez. Don't you? I hate, like, if you ever play this, I hate when they drop you off in, like, the worst spots ever. And then you die. Yeah, I hate that so much. Oh, jeez. My next video, I'm either going to play Roblox or some other game. So, yeah. Sorry that this video is, like, a weird way, but whatever. Hey, at least you get the video. Oh. Oh. Alright, so, yeah. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and peace out. Oh, okay, stop.